Magic is part of the way you are. Magic is what you do. If I can ride on a falling star, so I believe, can you? Magic is not just to close your eyes, hoping that will do. Nothing will come if you close your eyes. You have to make it true. If you will open your eyes and say, all that I see is true, then you have come a long, long way. Magic can be yours too. If you will open your eyes and say, all that I see is true, then you have come a long, long way. Magic can be yours too.